Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute little bat snap clips like this. So cute. And I got myself a little template. This was from Nicolas craft store. I'll put the link in the description box below. And to show you I've actually had to draw around with pen so it's more visible because this kept on fading, but I do normally use this air erasable marker so it fades off the fabric. So if you do cut outside, well, if you leave the lines on, they would fade with this, whereas with the pen obviously it wouldn't. So I would advise you using this so you can see. And the other thing I've done, because I'm using the black felt for the back so that I can actually see the outline line to cut, what I've done is I've taken masking tape and I masking taped over the top of that, and then I drew round so that I could cut and get the shape. So I'm going to fast forward to a few moments and cut these out because it's a bit boring to watch on camera, so bear with me 1 minute. Okay, so now we've got our two pieces cut out, and as you can see I've not cut the centre on either because that is the trickiest bit. So this is what the front and back look like, so we're going to use this to layer together, and as you can see this one's just a touch smaller just so it doesn't pop through when we do it. And then what I do to get the centre is if you pinch it in half like this and sort of angle it where it starts, you can do that so you've got your guide. And then it does take a little bit of work. This is why pinchable softer ones are a little bit easier. So you've got that, and then we do the same with this one. The felt's slightly easier because it's a little bit softer. And again, once you've got that angle down, carefully turn so you don't cut the other side. And there we go. Now once you've got your shape ready, then you can take your tape off. And it doesn't affect the felt, it just literally makes it so much easier for you actually to be able to see where you cut in without making mistakes. And then I've got these clips, and these are 45 millimeters or 4.5, as you can see, and that fits this size template perfectly. And the key thing is pop them open, and on your felt layer you want to line that up so it's just over the catch there. So I'll show you. You want it so that this part of the bat here lines up with that. Touch of glue there. Okay. Just line it up a little bit better. There we go. So the touch of glue there. Do mind your fingers because it can get a bit hot. There we go. And then I put just a teeny tiny dot there at the end, and that holds that piece in place. Then we want to put some glue on this bat head top bit with the wings. And then take this piece, line it up. There we go, pinch those together. And then what I do is glue all around the edges and just a little bit on the metal part of the snap clip. But don't go too overboard so you don't have like the glue seeping out of the sides, as you can see. And then you sort of pinch that together with your fingers. And the other thing I don't normally use lighters on leatherette, but on this occasion I do like a little bit around the edges, so that if you have got any like little bits of your felt showing, you can gently trim them down or use a lighter to sort of encourage them back. And there you go, a cute little bat-winged snap clip. They are perfect for little scraps. They're so cute, and just so you know, if the freehand template is not for you, because I do find cutting it a little bit fiddly, but that's just me because I am a bit cack-handed at the best of times. If this is a little bit fiddly for you, there are companies that sell the die cut that you can use with your Big Shot. So I'll put links to the suppliers that have that die as well for you. But it's so cute, and I think this cost me sort of £2, so it's not that expensive, especially for the shape. I like the scalloped edges. I think it'd look cute if you did it without as well. You could sort of use it as a guide to get the right size. So there you go, a couple of options for you. But super cute, perfect for Halloween, and I'll speak to you all soon. Thanks for watching, bye!